Hey everyone, I made it into a different Homegoods location. So in front of me we have a lot of glammy trees. Look at this one right here. You know what, here we go, just a tad. I need a tad light, it's too dark. Let's see, this is $35. Oh look. And they have this pretty blue one too. And you know the glass trees, I kind of like this white one. It looks like it has a little bit of snow on it, like a frost. And they have this gold one. That's really nice too. Oh gosh, look at this tall one right here in front of me. So nice. A lot of these cones. They have a large one. And like a rose gold. Oh, this one's different for $29.99. And you know what? This one's gonna light up. You can't really see it, but it does light up. These are so nice. Let me turn that off. Okay. Let me see if I could turn this one back on for you. You can kind of see it. I like that. I can't tell you all the prices in here. They're like stocking everything. The elf, he is a 20. How you guys feeling about him? Now this one's a little different. He's like pink, gold, blue. The blue one is new for me. And they have like the wooden trees. These are $8. And here's a little tiny one for $7. Rachel Zoe. And then more elves and a Santa. Here's a little Santa. There's a little tray, ceramic chip and dip for $13. Again with the gnomes. And I want to say this one was $17 by Peppermint and Pine. Let me flip it over again. I'm at the end cap. Oh no, it's $7. Okay, $7. Oh, look how cute. We have some gingerbread in the back. And here is a snowman. They're stalking all over the place. And I feel like I'm in their way, you know what I mean? Like they're stalkers in every aisle. And I scoot over. Let's see. These are $5.99. Oh, these little cups for coffee. These are kind of cute. I think we've seen these, just not the tiny ones. Oh, look down here. There's a little Christmas tree tumbler. It is glass, so these are $4. Now I know we've seen the Red Bowls, more mugs. I'm not gonna pull that out, but they have like this casserole dish. There's a little doggy one. Trees. Oh, this is kind of cute. $13. Look at that ceramic snack cookie jar. Would you get the bear and tree? I'm not too sure. Maybe it's just the bear.
I think he gets. Let me see.
And they have the giving plate.
Oh yeah, it is one of
Oh, it's plastic for $4. That's melamine. I thought it would be glass. And these are $8. Bring it down. Again, full of glitter. Oh, it's like a cabin. Okay. Don't want to pull those out. It looks like it might be this print. These are $5.99. Hand wash only. The snowman. Oh, here we go.
That's pretty.
You like this one? These are $4. Huh, they are different.
No,
and the snowman and dog for $7. Again, this is by Peppermint and Pine. Keep going. I know we've seen this cake dome before. Oh, here's one with a little red truck. These are $5.99 by Grace Bake Shop. And plenty of cupcake picks, you guys. You have Santa and a tree. That looks like snowman. This one you get the liners. Let me see this one right here. Or more Santa and Linus. Looks like they have some confetti, not confetti, but you know, like cupcake confetti for $4.99. Coasters. These are $5.99. Let me turn it around. Let's see. Ooh, what's down here? Oh, look at this guy. Look at, he has a little heart on his belt. That's kind of different. I never seen this one.
Even his beard's decorated.
Yeah, this is $8.
You know, I have never seen this. But this looks like a new tradition type of thing.
For Christmas?
Yeah.
I normally see this for Thanksgiving.
Do you? Yeah,
And
I've never
sometimes
seen this.
in Christmas they have Burlington has like ceramic ones. Okay, these are cookie stamps.
I'd rather give away the cheap ones.
Let it snow, little mugs. Those are $4. Joy to the world. Merry Christmas in the back. And then plenty of salt and pepper shakers. More gnomes. Red truck. These are $5. Look at the bear and tree. Oh, it kind of goes with that cookie jar.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, actually it does. Yeah, I guess so.
And $13.
It's exactly the same.
It is.
Yeah, he's got the same scarf.
These are nice too. Okay, let me go down here. Watch out for people so I can move.
So yeah, you were right. I found out the cookie jars that they're in separate boxes. One's a bear, one's a tree.
Oh, okay.
They have a check mark on the side.
$4. Oh, look at this Christmas soap pump. It's like a little mailbox. That's $15. It's gonna light up. Ooh. Oh, look. Deck the halls, Santa paws. Oh, deck the paws. Let's see. Look at this little tiny thin one for $4. Got Christmas, Santa. And a lot of baking bowls, like mixing bowls, and I like how you get the whole set in here. Oh, that's cool. Why do we like things that light up? I don't know.
Because they're shiny.
This one says Noel. It looks like they have a snowman too. Hurry, somebody's coming. Here we go. Oh, the glare. Okay.
And that's $8.
$8.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are $29.99. Snowflake. And $8 for the snowman. Some soap pumps in here. Look at his beard is like going in the wind. Now this is really nice back here by Mr. Christmas. Let me pull it out. For $15, it is gonna light up. I wonder if it makes music too. That's different.
This is supposed to light up?
It has a thing. And look, we have a nesting doll for $25. These are really cool. I like these. I think they're neat. Ooh, look at this. $10. They do light up. Oh, it does. You know what would be cool? If I turned around.
Yeah, right here, if this spun, that would be so cool.
That would be like, ooh. But check this out. This is really nice. You're gonna put like 3 large LED candles in this. These are, trying to find the price for it. So this one's going to be $40. Okay, dish towels, $10. You have a doggy riding a bike. Red. $5.99. I found a Mickey or Minnie. Always say Mickey. Anything Disney, I'm like, oh, it's Mickey. These are all glammed out. On the placemats, napkin rings by Nicole Miller for $13. There's Santa. And there is this really nice deer one. This one is $13. And we have a snowflake one. I'm trying to find out who makes it for $13. And more trees on this side. Everything is scattered. Oh, what is this one? They're like little mini snowman. Are these wood? These are 15. Oh, he's a new guy.
It's by the exact same company that does the nesting dolls.
Oh, look at this tree to put your pictures on.
You know what they look like? They look like the centers of nesting dolls is what they look like.
Yeah.
They have like a little card figure in the middle.
Oh, the climbing one. This one's different. It says Joy to the World. And it is 20. I was trying to find the maker, but it's covered up.
I like unique Santa Clauses.
And the angels, I know. Look at these. These are so different. These are going to be new for me. These are 17. Then we have like these blue ones are $13. These trees are by Rachel Zoe. They're plastic.
It's an Esco.
They're 15. Who makes that?
That's an Esco. You know the wooden looking carved guys.
Okay.
Like, doesn't Jim Thor do stuff with them?
Yes,
too?
I
Yeah.
think so. More of the elf. Oh my goodness, you guys. There's actually, it's not so many people, but here's the aisle right here. You know, they're not like so wide. But just excuse me, you know, I'm standing like way in the corner and you just push your cart. 'Tis the season, right? That's one thing I don't like. 15. Look, these are just so cool. Oh, it's like the Nutcracker. I like them. How you guys feeling about the elves, right? I know there's one looking scary one. His face is a lot different. These are so crazy. I think those are, yeah, snow babies. I've never seen that one. Let me scoot back. Okay, here we go. Tree skirts. Can't really dig in here, but look at this one. Like Mr. Popper's penguins, right? Penguins on it. I've never seen a tree skirt with penguins. You have some plaid. This one's like a quilt. Bella Lux. Let's see. These are 25. Looks we have Snoopy up in here. And I want to say we've seen these pillows before. They have a green one. These are 17. And $10 for these pillows. Look at Santa's beard. And of course the gnome one. Let me walk down here. I don't know whose cart this is, you guys. But they have a really nice vintage box and cards. I'm going to leave that alone. I kind of want to pull it out. But look at these pillows. Okay. Look at the snow and the bead and the deer. These are 10 by Winter Dreams. Some snowflakes, of course. It's a doggy one. A lot of throws in this one. All these are like kind of like character-ish. With have doggies with reindeers, the avocado. A really, really nice green. This is by Winter Cabin for $29.99. Ooh, that is so nice. Penguins and the plaid in here. $13, really nice blue one, and of course some more green with the snowflake. Here is some deer. They have pillows scattered everywhere. Like this pink one. These are 13 by Glitz and Glamour. Here's a Noel. And the beaded one for ya. Might be a little too bright. But their lighting is weird in here.
It's very dark. Their lamps are really spaced out, but they're also very dark.
Oh, look at this one. And then this one says hope. Okay, made it to the bathroom area. So we have the colorful tree. These are 10. Look at this one with the ornament. Santa waving before he goes down that chimney for 10 to drink your soy milk. Oh, here's another Mr. Christmas. So this one might play music too. It does. Oh, they have the truck. Let's see if this one works. Oh, it lights up.
Somebody's home.
It's like a nice little snowy cabin.
The back window lights up too.
That's kind of cool.
And the side window.
How about this white truck one? Let me see.
Just from what I understand.
Oh,
the
the
headlights.
front. Here we go.
Those are cool.
Oh, we have the snowman cookie jar. Plenty. Look at Golden Girls.
They're missing two.
They're $8. Probably have to turn that around. Let's see. Let's turn these around. Oh, there we go. Those are funny. Cool little stoppers. Let's see. These are $4. Have a deer. Here's a red truck. Gnomes.
You know, I don't own anything to put stoppers in. Maybe I'll put them in root beer bottles.
Let's see, Rudolph's place. These are 17. And 7, believe. We have Santa, just like that snowman. More tumblers, which I think we've seen before, you guys. Did I just share that? $4. I keep looking to the side of me because people keep walking towards me. See, these are nice too. Merry Christmas. And I think we might have seen these before. Oh, you know what? Here's like a winter one. Way down here. Let's see. Oven safe. Oven safe for $13. Here it is. I'm gonna make sure I get it in the camera. Oh, I found one Winnie the Pooh. But it's not Christmas. It's just like a little container. I kind of like this runner. It's green. You know how normally they have like the red one? That's really different. So they're all green. Let's see. These red ones. Cynthia. Oh, look at that LED menorah. Yeah, we've seen these. Oh, look at these napkin rings. These are kind of cool, right? They have the blinged out ones. Dreidel bowls. Look at, they even have dreidel pasta. Just a few more Santas. We have this angel one. Nutcrackers. Let's see, this angel one is 10. Little ornament. The gnome. These are kind of cool, right?
There you go.
Says Happy Holidays, $5.99. Got the soap dish, you have a container. They have the whole matching set for you.
Reminds me of Scotch tape.
Believe, joy, and Mary, you know, of course. Let's see. These are $13 for that. And 10. And I think this will do it, you guys. Everywhere else, the Christmas I was looking at, those are only like 3 rows. They're all like scattered. And it's really crowded now because, you know, the aisles are not so wide. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here in this location. Please stay safe. It is busy out there. And I will see all of you in the next one. Look at this. Interesting. Right?
It is.
And the blinged out. They always bring out the bling out stuff for like the holiday season. I mean, normally it stays around, but it kind of like fades